Hello, this is Pablo from Curly's Carpet Repair. This was one big plywood actually. The carpet was torn back and had to seam it. Carpet was really in bad shape, like 20 years old, 30 years old. The seams aren't that, it's okay, but they're not super great, but there was no extra carpet to cut out. Oh, it's like 45 feet long here. Here's a 6-foot marker. And this room was one big long room also. See, it was all torn back before, rippled. And this room already has carpet in it, or a auxiliary desk. They put it in, it was all rippled before. This one is, this was the same. See the doorways here? I had to put some carpet from the closet in. And you know, it's not fancy, but compared to what this was before, this is an old one. They didn't have me redo the seam or the piece in there, so it looks pretty bad compared to this one, which I redid, and also this one I redid. So in comparison, they look pretty nice compared to what it was for. Okay, Pablo from Curly's Carpet Repair. Thanks.